Hi, my name is Sarah Chisnell. I'm the staff scientist here in the Discovery Theatre at Science North. And this year we celebrate the International Year of Chemistry. Today we're going to be looking at material science. Material science involves the study and manipulation of different types of materials to make our lives easier. We're going to look at two different materials today that have been impacted by material science. In this field, we can either create whole new materials or simply coat existing materials to give the desired property. An alloy is a mixture of two or more different metals, and it was really important in material science because we get very interesting properties from these alloys. Probably the most famous alloy that I can think of is stainless steel, the mixture between nickel and iron. This one here that I have is a mixture between nickel and titanium. We call this metal nitinol. This nitinol in particular is called thermal shape memory metal, and what happens is that it will remember the shape that it's currently in. So we can bend it all out of shape, we can straighten them up. I have a number of different pieces in here, so we'll try a few different things. And when we add heat, it should return to its original shape. And we're going to use heat in the form of hot water. So we're going to just pour the water on top, and the metal springs back into its original shape, or pops back into place as it would have been. Now, this is not only the only property that nitinol can display, it can also have super elastic properties. And where we see that often is in glasses. So I have a pair of glasses here that use the nitinol technology, the mixture between nickel and titanium, and this allows us to bend them all out of shape. And when we bend them, they just spring back, whoop, into place like that. Material science also involves just coating existing materials so that the desired property is there. I have here two shirts. One is coated and the other is not. It's coated with a material that doesn't allow stains to permeate the shirt. That's not to say you don't ever have to wash the shirt, but if you happen to spill something on yourself, it probably won't stain. So I have here two graduated cylinders full of water and food coloring, and I'm just going to pour them on each of these shirts and we'll see what the result is. Okay, so we'll let that sit just for a quick second, and as we roll it around, you can tell that one soaks right in and we dye our material, we stain our material. This one, however, the coated one, if you'll notice, just kind of skates around on the surface and it doesn't actually absorb into the material. So if you're at a restaurant and this happened to you, you could just wipe it off and your shirt isn't stained with blue food coloring for the rest of the day. So material science is all about making our lives easier, whether it's through super elastic glasses that pop back into shape or stain resistant clothing. It's all chemistry. And so this year we're celebrating the International Year of Chemistry, and be sure to check us out next month when we take a look at precipitates.